Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KMPH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. Very impressive movement late afternoon to think that the price was basically hovering down here all day and then all of a sudden closed all the way up there. Any rational person would say, yeah, that was definitely a very impressive move. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $10.25. Now, I'm not saying that this next part is actually going to happen, but just for explanation's sake, let's say that the price comes down here to $10.25, behaves in that manner, and then continues on down. What would you have at that point? At that point, you would quite literally have the price having gone right back inside of that range where it just was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But to be fair, I mean, no price can just go straight up either. So maybe the price comes down here, difference being behaves in that manner, and then starts to curl back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows right there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do, is it's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as $10.25. In terms of areas of resistance, public enemy number one right now going to be all about that $12.50 mark. So keep a close eye on $12.50, and we'll see if the price can get up through there. But all in all, any angle you look at it, monster volume today, very impressive price movement. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.